SWIMS first started offering dewatering services in 2007. I believe our first job didn't go very well, but we've learned a lot over the years. Now we have our own equipment and a dedicated team to service our clients. Most dewatering operations now are for apartment buildings or office buildings that place the parking underground.
So typically a dewatering system will be wells around the perimeter of the slab that they're pouring on the ground, or also it can be for utilities when they're doing underground pipes where they have water and they can't put in the pipe because there's water in there. We have we can design a dewatering system where it will be deep enough that the water table will get lower and we can remove the water and they can do their digging.
No, it starts way before that. There's a lot of planning, a lot of design for how many wells, the duration of the project, the placement of the tanks, the space that's available. And we have a great team that we've assembled over the years and we work closely with. We can help with the permitting process, the drilling, the filtering, all the way through the process from beginning to end. We develop the wells, we plumb everything to the two settling tanks you see. Once that water settles, it's pumped through a sand filter and a bag filter, and typically a carbon or organoclay filters, which is where the real contaminants are taken out.
Well, in the beginning of the job, the water is typically really murky. So when we first start the system, the water would be really murky because the water has been stirred up. And then it starts getting clearer. Once it runs through our system, the water would be as clean as drinking water. It'll be at about 5 NTUs.
There's all kinds of delays that can happen, during a construction project. Equipment can fail. We can get bad tests. But the strength of SWIMS is that we own our own equipment. We have response teams if something fails or breaks down. Generators run out of fuel. We're there day and night, and we can handle all of these situations.
Well, some of the safety measures that we apply in our systems are we install automatic shutoff valves that if the tank gets full, it will shut off the water, and we have an alarm system that will give us a call if the tanks are too high or too low. And we also do weekly inspections to prevent anything going wrong. We check our pumps and make sure our equipment is working properly. The weekly inspections that we do and why the customer need is done, we check all our pumps, make sure all our pumps are working properly, there's no broken pipe. We do a routine inspection around the whole perimeter of the job site, make sure our tanks have no leaks, our system's working properly, and we change the bags in our bag filter so we avoid any clogs happening in the future.
I think it's important to select a contractor that can handle everything from the permitting process to the decommissioning of the wells. And that's really SWIM's strength is we've been doing this long enough that we don't just do pieces of it, we do the entire project from beginning to end.